to the occasion in the upcoming Swazi Bank Cup 14th edition, saying that the team has the capability to be counted amongst the best teams in the tournament. We have a report.
Mbabane Highlanders' preparations for this weekend's Swazi Bank Cup are well and truly underway. On the sidelines are the team's diehards, their spirits not dampened in any way by the wet weather conditions. All they want to see is their team making major strides in the #Yelele Cup competition.
Ayibona le team kona ayatilungiselela nalamalungiselelo ngiyabona lokuthi cha cishe ngilasetulu kakhulu keja nje ngifisile nami ukuthi manje sifike egcineni singagileki la endleleni
lesikufisile kule Swazi Bank ngilewe nje cause kade sagcina nakuthatha inkomishi but ngiyekubuka kwami kuyathembisa ngufisile ukuthi sambe lichi si Highland ngayithanza kakhulu ngiyifisela lokuhle.
As these Highlanders players sweated through their session, Sunday afternoon will require them to put practice into real cup action, and the fans, if they are to make their presence felt, should drastically increase their numbers from what they appear to be right now. John Molelekeng for Swazi TV Sports, Zuluini.